If you are thinking about freelancing on Fiverr but feel stuck because you don't have experience, but guess what? You are the perfect person that I made this video for. I totally get it. Diving into freelancing can feel intimidating, especially if you are starting from scratch. But here's the great news. Fiverr is one of the easiest platforms to start making money with zero experience. Yes, even if you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, a career changer, or just looking to earn some extra cash, Fiverr has opportunities waiting for you. Today, I'm going to break down everything you need to do to succeed, and I will cover in 10 easy, beginner-friendly gigs that you can start immediately. Plus, I'll share proven strategy tips and insider secrets to help you get going fast. So are you ready to start making money on Fiverr right away? Let's jump in. Why Fiverr is perfect for beginners, even with no experience. Unlike other platforms that might require a lengthy resume or credentials, Fiverr lets you jump right in. All you need is a clear profile, a passion for providing quality services, and the willingness to market yourself effectively. Step number 1, create an impressive seller profile. Think of your Fiverr profile as your digital storefront. Profile picture, high resolution, friendly and professional. Compelling bio, highlight your enthusiasm and any relatable skill, even if it's a hobby or school project or volunteer work. Skills list. Let's be honest and confident. Showcase your genuine abilities. Your Fiverr profile is your first impression, so make it count. Step number 2, choose easy to start gigs. No experience needed. Here are the top 10 easy to start Fiverr gigs that you could start with no experience. Number 1, file conversions. Convert Word documents to PDF or other formats. Free online tools like Small PDF make this a quick job anyone can do. Number 2, virtual assistant. Offer help with emails, scheduling, or data entry tasks. These are skills easily learned through simple online tutorials, and businesses need them more than ever. Number 3, social media management. Great option if you are comfortable with social media, managing accounts, creating engaging posts, and help businesses connect with their audience. You don't need a college degree to write simple blogs or proofread documents. Start small, practice, and build up your portfolio. Number 4, graphic design with templates. Use Canva to create professional-looking designs for social media, ebook covers, and business cards. No graphic design skills are needed. Number 5, data entry. Input and organize information into spreadsheets. This straightforward task helps businesses keep accurate records. Number 6, language tutoring. If you speak another language fluently, help others improve through conversational sessions. No prior teaching experience is required. Number 7, spokesperson videos. Record yourself speaking about a product or a service. With a decent camera and clear speech, you'll easily attract clients. Number 8, book cover design. Create stunning ebook covers using Canva's templates. Thousands of successful sellers already use this easy method. Number 9, beta reading. Get paid to read unpublished books and share honest feedback. Authors value real opinion from everyday readers. No degree needed. Number 10, website app user testing. Companies pay you to explore their websites or apps and give honest feedback. This skill requires no technical expertise, just common sense. Step 3, setting up an attractive gig. Here's how. Title, make it short and to the point, like I will create engaging social media posts. Description, clearly explain how you can solve a client problem, highlighting exceptional service and quick turnaround. Pricing, start competitively. Rate prices as you gain experience. Tags and keywords, use beginner-friendly keywords to attract your first client. How to write an amazing gig description. Your Fiverr gig description is crucial in success. It needs to clearly communicate your service, attract clients, and highlight your values. Clearly describe your service. Start by clearly describing your gig. Include your specific service, relevant skills, how you develop these skills. Convince buyers to choose you. Highlight how the client should pick you over others. Make this compelling and clear at the beginning of your gig description to immediately capture attention. Showcase your value proposition. Clearly explain what makes your service valuable. What's it like working with you? Step 4. Marketing your gig. To get noticed quickly, share your Fiverr gig on social media. Reach out to your network for referrals. Engage actively on platforms like Quora to drive traffic. Step 5. Deliver exceptional service. Exceed clients' expectations to earn positive reviews. Always communicate clearly. Deliver projects on time. Ask clients for feedback and provide extra value. Maintain professionalism in all interactions. Step 6. Continuously learn and improve. Take affordable online classes like Udemy and Coursera. Leverage feedback from the client to refine your services. Experiment with new gigs and expand your portfolio. Engage with your communities like Fiverr, Reddit for practical advice and support. 5 simple tips to get orders rolling in. Breaking into Fiverr algorithm can be tough, especially in the first few months. Here's how you can speed up the process. Number 1, set up on multiple platforms. Reduce stress by creating profiles on Upwork, People Per Hour, and LinkedIn freelance platform. Diversify to increase your customer base. Number 2, buyer request. Regularly browse buyers' requests, build competitively, and secure initial orders to build positive reviews. Number 3, aim for 10 to 5-star reviews. Early reviews are crucial. Consider asking friends and family to order and review your gig to quickly build credibility. Number 4, outstanding customer service. Always go above and beyond to exceed expectations. Great service leads to repeat clients and excellent reviews. Number 5, approach other sellers. Partner strategically with level 1 and level 2 sellers to provide complementary services. Personalized messages to genuinely connect and avoid spamming. Remember, patience is the key. With consistency and great customer service, you'll see success. Starting on Fiverr with no experience is entirely achievable. Remember, every freelancer begins somewhere. Fiverr makes it easier than ever to start small, build skills, and grow your own pace. What are you waiting for? Start today and begin earning on Fiverr. No experience needed. If you have found this video valuable, then please like and subscribe and share for more free resources. Check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. And we'll see you on the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.